Hey guys, today I am going to cook Ooti Asangba. Let's check it out the process, and ingredients are also mentioned in the below description box. First, take a saucepan with 750 ml of water on high flame. Then we will add half teaspoon of cooking soda, add 200 gram of Chana Dal, then add sliced sponge gourd. Then we will add Colocasia leaf. Here I have added 10 leaves. Then add 50 grams of rice. Sticky rice is preferable. If you don't have, you can use normal rice also. Add some whole cumin seeds. Then we will add a teaspoon of cow ghee. Let it stir well and melt the ghee. Add a couple of bay leaves and dry red chillies. We will add some chopped garlic chives. Stir well and let it simmer for some time until all the ingredients are cooked. Ooti Asangba is typically made with rice, Paangkhoklaa or Colocasia and other green leafy vegetables. In Manipuri, Colocasia leaves are known as Paangkhoklaa. One can add other green leafy vegetables such as young leaves of tomato, sponge gourd, pomegranate and more. Now we will add salt. Add salt to your taste. In between, keep stirring. We will add a couple of fresh ginger leaves. Don't forget, in between you should keep stirring. Now we can see that all the vegetables dal are cooked. We can finish it by adding ghee, garlic chives and milk. We will add a teaspoon of ghee. Then let's add some more chopped garlic chives and simmer for a couple of minutes. Then we will add a cup of fresh milk. Let it again simmer for a couple of more minutes. Then put it off the flame. Serve it with rice and singju. Enjoy! If you like the video, please like and share the video. Bye bye guys, see you on my next video.